and Maritime Affairs for this forum. This forum is truly timely. Your Excellency, the future of mining in Kenya will not be defined by the resources beneath our soils, but by the partnership we build above it. By doing this, we shall be able to unlock investment, create job opportunities, drive industrialization, and build a shared prosperity for our people. At the same time, Your Excellency, we must look beyond large-scale mining and support the broader ecosystem, including the artisanal miners, SME, and service providers who are integral to our sector. This is an area as a bank we consider it as a growth opportunity, where we are looking at engaging the artisanal miners through organized group financing solutions across the country. Your Excellency, our commitment as the leading bank in Kenya is that our doors are open to all potential investors who are looking at changing the story of mining in Kenya. We shall continue to leverage our over 130 years legacy and expertise to structure innovative banking solutions and support end-to-end value chain development for the sector. I therefore welcome the opportunity for all the miners in this sector to work with us to achieve this ambition. Your Excellency, this will be the right step through achieving our Singaporean dream. May God bless you and may God bless our beloved country, Kenya. Thank you.
Your Excellency, in order to help us amplify Kenya as an investment-ready country, we partnered with the Nation Media Group to help us market Kenya as an investment destination. I therefore want to welcome the CEO of Nation Media Group, Geoffrey Odundo.
Your Excellency, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya and Commander-in-Chief of the Defense Forces, Your Excellency, Honorable Ali Hassan Joho, Cabinet Secretary, Ministry of Blue Mining, Blue Economy and Maritime Affairs, and I'll also write on the standing protocols. Your Excellency, I'm delighted to be here today to see you again, and really to say that we are happy that you've been able to honor us with this visit. This is your first conference that you're attending, hosted by the Nation Media Group in partnership with your government, and it has actually been able to position us as a strong amplifier of the projects and things that the government is doing. Your Excellency, let me first say that since we started putting your image on our adverts, the number of delegates sprang from 200 to 700 today. So I don't know. I'm thinking of making you a natural partner in all our convenings. Your Excellency, this is not the first conference we are hosting with your government. We do a lot of conferences every year with the government of Kenya and with your ministries. But I must say that this is one of the best attended conferences that we've held. And I'm really delighted to have worked with your minister and PS in that initiative. As a media house, our role is to amplify what the government is doing, what our sector stakeholders are doing. And we have seen great opportunity and great attention when it comes to that. And I want to make our commitment that as a media house, our role is to positively influence society. So we will continue to bring out the best of Kenya. And I believe this sector that we have been told is just coming out of its birthplace will be one of those great convenings that we'll have over the years. So thank you very much for attending this conference, Your Excellency, and we look forward to working with your government in many other projects. Santi.
Your Excellency, sir, allow me to call on stage the Cabinet Secretary, Ministry of Mining, Blue Economy and Maritime Affairs to give his remarks and take over the program. Karibu Waziri.
Your Excellency, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya, Honorable Oladele Henry Alake, Minister of Solid Minerals Development,